Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, great to have you. Today we are leveling up our Langflow AI automation with something super helpful. In the last video, we built a Langflow AI agent workflow for a smart travel packer, a tool that helps user decide what to pack based on some basic information about their trips. If you haven't seen that yet, I'll link it here so that you can check that out. Our smart packer AI agent already knows how to create personalized packing lists based on user input. But what if the user could say, hey, send this to my Google Doc, and that happens instantly? Well, that's exactly what we are going to be building today, a seamless Google Doc automation using Langflow and Composio. Once the user confirms the packing list, the Google Doc is generated automatically, making it easier for the user to access and share. Let me give you an overview in terms of how it's going to work, right? So first, the user would enter the trip details in the chat interface. The AI agent is going to take those input and create a personalized packing list. Once the user is happy with the packing list, I assume there is going to be couple of back and forth between the user and the AI agent. And once the user finalizes the packing list and asks the AI agent to generate a Google Doc, the AI agent is going to go ahead and generate the Google Doc through the Google Doc integration through Composio, which you guys are going to learn in this video, and share a link in the same chat interface. Now that you guys know how it's going to work, let's go and set it up step by step.
Alright, so let's jump into the Langflow and open our existing Smart Packer workflow. If you remember from the last video, this workflow takes the user trip details and generates a packing list based on user input. This is our agent and that's the output. Now to automate Google Docs, we are going to use Composio node. Composio is a powerful integration tool that connects Langflow with external apps and services like Google Docs, Gmail, and much more. So now let's set it up. So first we need to enter the API details to connect it. I have already created a Composio account, so I'm just gonna key in my API details, and then from the drop down, let's select Google Docs. And after that, there is this icon beside Google Docs. You should click on that so that it does the authentication with your Google Docs and Composio. So this green icon indicates the authentication is done successfully. After that, we need to select an action, and from here we are going to select create Google Doc action. So that's about it. Now let's link this Composio node to our agent as a tool, so the agent understands that it has the ability to create Google Docs whenever needed. And just like that, we are all set. But there is one more important step. We need to update the agent instruction so that it knows exactly when to generate a Google Doc. I have already written a prompt for that. I would just copy paste it. So what you see here, this is the earlier prompt that we had. So this is the new set of 3 lines I'm going to add here. Feel free to pause the video if you like to take a closer look, and if you want the exact prompt, just drop a comment. I'll be happy to share. Alright, let's test it out. Let's click on playground. Now let's create a fresh chat and let's say hi. Alright, so the agent is asking me some basic information about the trip. So let's enter some basic information about where I would like to go. So let's say I would be traveling to Dubai for 4 days for a business trip, and I like to pack moderately, and I'd be packing for myself, and lastly, I do not know the weather. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now let's hit enter and let's see what it comes back with. All right, so the agent is running. All right, so it gave me a detailed list, for the business trip. So I'll just, quickly scroll through so that you guys can see. Yeah, it has all the information in terms of what I need to pack. And yeah, so now it's asking if I like it to generate a Google Doc. So let's say yes, I'm good with the packing list, and let's generate a Google document. Okay, so let's see what the agent comes back with. So the agent is running, as you see. All right, so here it is. The Google document is being generated with the final packing list. So let me take you to my Google Drive. So this is my Google Drive. Let's refresh it. Okay, so we see Dubai packing list. And if you see, it got generated at 2:45 and the current time is 2:45 p.m. IST. So cool, let's open it, and just to ensure that it has all the information. Yep, it's the same list that we saw on the chat interface. Now let's quickly go back to the chat interface. So yeah, so not just the fact that the Google Doc got generated, it also shared the direct link over here as well so that I could go and edit.
So this is how you go ahead and automate Google Docs using Composio node in Langflow. Super easy, right? So with this setup, users don't just get recommendations, insights, and information from the AI agent, but they also get Google Docs being generated automatically, and they also get a shareable link. A pro tip is this type of automation isn't just for generating packing lists. I just have shown this as an example so that you guys can relate. But you can basically use it for, let's say, meeting note generation, task management, report generation, and much more. So my recommendation is going to be go ahead, explore, and see which part of your workflow you can automate. If you found the video helpful, do give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more similar videos. Up until next time, happy learning and bye-bye.